Hey guys, if you are looking for best robot vacuum for pet hair, you chose right video. Today, we're going to review top 5 best robot vacuum for pet hair on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. This floor robot vacuum makes life so much easier since it doesn't require you to clean manually. With this Roomba-style robot vacuum, you can clean up pet hair, even when you're not at home. Underneath this pet hair robot vacuum are brushes that sweep up even the smallest bit of dust and fur. The iRobot Roomba combines powerful suction and a variety of brushes to clean up your floors. Not only does it work well on floors but carpets as well. Additionally, advanced sensors allow this Roomba vacuum to avoid edges and detect stairs. Another amazing feature of this pet hair vacuum is that it will reload itself into the charging dock when it's running out of battery. You can easily connect this pet hair vacuum to your Wi-Fi and control it using Alexa. Now our second choice is Roborock for Robot Vacuum Cleaner. It is our top recommended product in this list. This robot vacuum cleaner for pet hair is one of the more powerful options on this list, with a 200-minute runtime. With its ample battery life, it can easily clean your entire house before needing a recharge. The Roborock Roomba also pairs with Alexa, so you can simply use your voice to control it. Another brilliant feature of this vacuum cleaner is its sensors, which help it navigate your house. This Roomba cleans in a Z formation, picking up every piece of pet hair, and the max setting will suck up dirt from surfaces like a carpet with the help of strong suction. It also has a larger dustbin, so even if you live in a bigger house, you don't have to worry about constant reloading. This pet hair robot vacuum also has an app that allows you to set a cleaning schedule. You can even purchase mopping systems for this Roomba to keep your floors fresh and clean. Now number 3, Sharka V911S Easy Robot Vacuum. Another fantastic option for a robot vacuum cleaner for pet hair that pairs with Alexa, allowing you to control it with your voice. The most brilliant feature about this Roomba vacuum cleaner is that it can empty itself so that you don't have to constantly empty its dustbin. Its self-emptying dock can hold up to 30 days worth of dust and pet hair. The great thing about this vacuum robot is that its precise brushes scoop up every bit of pet hair, and it works well on carpets as well. It will even clean edges with ease. At number 4, Cleane 210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. With a sleek, modern design, this vacuum robot for pet hair both looks aesthetically pleasing, but it also works incredibly well. The infrared sensors allow it to map out each surface of your house and leave it spotless. It also has a sleek body which allows it to clean under furniture. The most amazing function is schedule. You set up a certain schedule and a type of cleaning through Cleane app, and the robot vacuum will do the rest. This way it is already clean when you come back. Not only that, Cleane app can adjust the suction and direction, check the cleaning area, etc. The automatic vacuum cleaner robot also gives commands by voice through Alexa or Google Assistant. Not only does this robot vacuum have strong suction, but also has 4 cleaning modes, which you can choose according to your preference and can be easily controlled using the Cleane app. At number 5, Eli V3's Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This is another Roomba-style vacuum cleaner that looks very sleek and aesthetically pleasing. Pet hair won't be an issue with this vacuum cleaner since it can also clean under furniture. It will get rid of pet hair and dirt from every surface of your house. The Eli vacuum robot for pet hair self-charges when it's low on battery and can run for up to 100 minutes at a time. It has smart sensors which keep your robot from bumping into edges. The anti-drop technology keeps your Roomba vacuum cleaner from falling from edges like stairs. And you can also easily control this pet hair vacuum cleaner with the remote that comes with it. A simple touch of the auto clean button is all you need for a pet hair-free house. The precise brushes help pick up pet hair and dirt, even on carpeted surfaces. All the products we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description box below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.